My name is Lee Plakas, and I have the privilege of being the managing member of Plakas Mannos. I've been practicing for over 40 years, and my entire time in the practice of law has been with this firm. When I first got out of law school, this was a sole practice. The attorney was George Zangus. What attracted me to the practice was that he would literally run through walls for his clients. His clients loved him, and he would do anything he could to help them. And I had clerked for a couple other places, and I just liked that energy and that commitment. And, it actually, a lot of people talk about a mission statement, and to me, it's more helpful to talk about guiding principles. And from those early days, when I saw the reaction of clients to Mr. Zangus's commitment, I knew that was important. And our guiding principles include a quote from Theodore Roosevelt. And he said, "Nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care." And that really stuck with me. And a lot of attorneys are very talented and very intelligent, but if you don't have that caring and commitment, then all of that talent or intelligence doesn't mean anything. So in addition to caring, another one of our guiding principles is commitment to excellence, is best said by Aristotle. And he says that we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, it's a habit. And that's what we strive for. So if you combine Teddy Roosevelt's quote and Aristotle's quote, you have caring and commitment. I thought maybe I was going to be an airline pilot or a financial advisor or an engineer or something, but then it struck me that really the most direct path to really being able to help people and change their lives and help your community is through the justice system. So that's what started it. And I've been doing it for more than 4 decades now. I recently, in the last month or so, was honored by Best Lawyers in America and received the honor for bet the company litigation. So what that means is when everything is on the line for your company, which attorney do you go to? And I received that award. On the other hand, I've received Lawyer of the Year awards for individuals, for medical negligence cases, for personal injury cases. Many of our community members and statewide recognize me for having the largest defamation verdict in Ohio's legal history, and that's the case that's received national acclaim, and that's Gibson Bakery versus Oberlin College. So that was a bet the company litigation and bet the future of a family litigation for the Gibsons, who had been around for over a century. So those are the things that are really fulfilling. It's a great question. What are your future goals? You can ask that to me 4 or 5 decades ago, and you can ask me as you have today. And I'd like to think the answer is the same. And the answer is to make a difference, to help people in their lives, to help the community in their lives. And as long as we're able to do that, and as long as I'm able to do that, that will be my continuing goal, to help people, help their families, help our community become the best it can be. That's my goal.